Good morning guys, in front of me is Tefal Cook4me and let me show you how to set up your device. So once you boot it for the first time, this is the panel that you will be able to see. At first, select the language. Now choose the country, the region, and now tap on OK. Here you can connect your Cook4me, so as you can see, to be able to access a wide selection of recipes and so on, all online services, you can connect your appliance first, but let me do it later. And here you can also use Wi-Fi later. Tap on OK, got it. And now you can start using your device. So once it is not connected to Wi-Fi, it's actually not that easy because you will not be able to use, for example, In My Fridge feature. So if you didn't connect with Wi-Fi at first, you can open the settings, then select Wi-Fi settings, choose Enable Wi-Fi, and you can either scan QR code or mark I agree. And now give your device a couple of seconds, select the network that you want to connect your device with. It's time to provide the password, so mark enter the password, and now just enter the password. And then click on OK. Wait till the end of connection process. And that's it. As you can see, it has been paired. So now you can also select your time zone and go back. As you can see, this is how you can set up your Tefal. It's quite quick and easy. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.